If you're ready to start your fitness journey but don't want to break the bank on a gym membership or a massive machine, you're in the right place. We're ranking the top 8 budget-friendly treadmills for home use, covering everything from under-desk walking pads to full-feature smart running machines. Getting fit should be affordable and convenient. As always, the links to all 8 of these budget-friendly treadmills, plus any current discounts are listed for you, down in the description below. Let's find your perfect home workout solution, starting at number 8. Kicking off our list at number 8 is the Anylife Walking Pad Treadmill. This is the one to grab if your budget is the absolute tightest, priced at an incredible $99.99. The Anylife is the best way to get steps in without leaving your house. It features a quiet 2.5 horsepower motor and, most importantly, folds down to an ultra-compact 3.85 inches thick. If you need a basic, remote-controlled machine that hides completely under a sofa or bed, this is the cheapest, most effective option to get started. Jumping up to number 7, we have the Hartwares NeoSilent Walking Pad Treadmill, priced at $139.99. This monitor earns its higher spot by offering significant quality-of-life upgrades over the basic pads. The Hartwares uses a NeoSilent brushless motor for quieter, longer operation, but the real benefit is the extra-large 40-inch by 16-inch walking surface. This makes a huge difference for taller users or those with longer strides, providing a much more natural and comfortable walking experience. With smart app tracking and better cushioning, this is the perfect upgrade for the dedicated desk walker. Sliding into the number 6 spot is the FUN Treadmill with Incline, priced at $159.97. This monitor represents the first true jump into a hybrid walking and light jogging machine. The FUN maintains the ultra-compact folding design, but pushes the top speed to a light 5.0 miles per hour, making running a real option. It also adds a 3-level manual incline to enhance your calorie burn and muscle engagement. If you need a fully pre-assembled, space-saving machine that can handle both under-desk walking and proper jogging, this is the best value hybrid available. We are now entering the realm of serious home running at number 5 with the THERUN Home Treadmill with Incline. This is priced at $299.99. The THERUN earns its spot by introducing the first true running motor on the list. A 3.0 horsepower motor that pushes the top speed up to a full 9.0 miles per hour. It supports a high weight capacity and features an 18-inch LCD display with 15 preset programs. Its strong frame, wider running belt, and easy foldability make this the absolute best choice for a runner in a small apartment. Jumping up to number 4 is the THERUN walking pad with 12% incline, priced at $319.98. This watch takes the versatile design and pushes the performance ceiling even higher. The THERUN is the first monitor on our list to hit a full 10 miles per hour, meaning it can handle full sprints, and it introduces a huge 12% manual incline. This combination of max speed, massive incline, and its unique 4-in-1 design that transforms from a pad to a full treadmill makes it the most versatile performance machine for the price. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Trail Viber walking pad with 12% auto incline, priced at $296. This machine is a technical marvel that brings a premium feature down to a budget price. The Trail Viber is unique because it is the first machine on our list to offer 9-level automatic incline adjustment up to 12%. This feature, typically reserved for high-end treadmills, burns 3 times more calories effortlessly. Paired with a commercial-grade 450-pound weight capacity and quiet, dual remote operation, the Trail Viber delivers exceptional durability and convenience for its price. We are now entering the high-performance smart treadmill category, and at number 2 is the ProForm Sport Treadmill, priced at $499. The ProForm is the entry point into the world of iFit smart training. While the machines below focused on hardware, the ProForm focuses on content. It includes the incredible Smart Adjust technology and active pulse, heart rate control, where your speed and incline are automatically adjusted by professional trainers or AI. For the person who needs endless motivation, guided workouts, and seamless integration with the world's best trainers, the ProForm is the ultimate smart starting line. We have reached the summit. The absolute best budget-friendly treadmill you can buy is the NordicTrack T Series 5 Starter Treadmill, priced at $599. The T Series 5 earns the number 1 spot by delivering the best combination of traditional treadmill quality and smart features. It boasts a powerful 2.6 horsepower motor, a full 10 miles per hour top speed, and a huge 55-inch by 18-inch running surface, the most comfortable deck on this list. Crucially, it is backed by an incredible 10-year frame warranty, which signifies gym-level durability. The NordicTrack T Series 5 provides the ultimate running experience, professional reliability, and top-tier smart technology, making it the definitive, long-term investment for home fitness. And that completes our definitive ranking of the top 8 budget-friendly treadmills for your home gym. Whether you need the ultra-compact walking power of the Trail Viber or the professional durability and smart training of the NordicTrack T Series, your next workout is waiting. If you found the perfect treadmill to kickstart your fitness goals, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep-dive fitness and tech reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.